Hey guys, how's it going? This is Andrew again from Advanced PCs. Welcome to another exciting video session. Okay, this video I wanted to show you guys a little bit about data storage, data backup. In the event you don't have any kind of data backup in place, I wanted to kind of go a little bit in showing you some of the things that you could do specifically with backing up your data in the cloud. Okay, now cloud is one of those things where people are like, well, I'm not quite sure I really want to, no, this is not the one. I'm not quite sure this, that's where I want to go. But, because cloud is just like, so we don't know where our data is being stored. It's kind of the era that we're in, and that's where we're moving towards. So the sooner you can get comfortable with cloud storage or cloud computing even, but for the sake of this recording, it's just cloud data backup. The better and the easier it'll be for you. All right, so here are a couple of options. I wanted to get you guys started. This is for like data backup, cloud data backup. Dropbox, okay? Dropbox is pretty common. A lot of people are familiar with this particular platform slash software. You guys can use this if you wanted to just try something out. You could try it out for free here. I think they start you out with about like 2 to 5 gigs for free. However, if you wanted to try, if you wanted to pay more, or if you needed more storage, here you have the different options that they provide. I think you get a terabyte of space for $825, and for $1250, which we're saying is like probably the most chosen one or whatever. You get a little bit more options. Enterprise. So it's up to you as to like what platform, what package you'd want to go with, but like I said, you can always start this out for free, okay, and see how you like it. It's also, you can connect it to different applications. I've used it myself, and it's actually it's pretty cool. Okay, all right, so moving on, let me just show you another option you guys can choose. Let's go with Google. Okay, Google Drive is also another great option you could start with when you in choosing like data backup. If you're on the internet, you're watching this video, you've had to heard of Google, right? Because Google is like the mecca of like the internet, like it's the search engine. That's where everyone goes to. So also, what's popular with Google is their email. Like a lot of people are like going to Gmail, or individuals as well as companies. And really, that's all you need to get started with getting Google Drive. Once you have an account, then you're pretty much set. And what's cool is that Google Drive starts you out with 15 gigs for free that you could start with, right? Obviously, these are the different plans they have. If you wanted more, like 100 gigs, $2 per month, or $1.99 a month. If you needed more, obviously this is you're probably going into like the company or a business would probably want like 100 gigs or terabytes. You could look at the plans, see if you like it. You could start with the 15 gigs, see how you like the interface. I've actually used it. I use it myself a lot because as a Droid user, I'm always connected. That's also the other thing. If you have like a Droid phone, you're a Droid user, your device would be also connected. Once you log in, you sign into your phone that way. Okay, so Google Drive, that's another great option to start with. Another one is Amazon. Amazon is also a mecca on the internet. This is like where you go to do your shopping, but you shop for all types of things on Amazon. Movies, books, apparel, electronics, all types of things you can get on Amazon. Now, what they have available for Prime users, I'm also a Prime user here as well, because I do a lot of books as well as movies. So what they do, they give you 5 gigs for video, music, and other files, and unlimited storage for photos, which is actually pretty cool. You may want to look into that some more if you wanted to store your photos on Amazon Drive. That's what it's called, Amazon Drive, and see if it's actually unlimited. So look into that a little bit more. Unlimited storage, of course, which is also pretty good as well, at $60 per year, which is, it's actually pretty competitive. So this is for individual as far as like organizations and companies, they may have something a little bit more in depth and comprehensive for organization, or it just might be this one. But you could start with this, and again, like try it out and you know, see what the features are there. All right. Let me get into another option for you guys. The other one here, I think we already covered that one. All right. So Carbonite is also pretty good. This requires, there's no freebies on this one. They have for home or office, but what I've seen mostly is for the office environment. People would go with Carbonite, and they have the different pricing and features. You know, obviously for home, if you go to the pricing, let me show you real quick. All right, so it's like $59 and you get unlimited. So it's like similar to like that of Amazon Drive we just saw a while ago, and then this guy. So the different packages, I'm sure they give you much more, you know, features if you go with the other packages as opposed to just the basic. But again, you could start with basic, just to, like I said, get like a good feel for it. And you know, obviously for Office is probably going to be something a little bit more comprehensive. But like I said before, with Carbonite, I've seen this mostly in the corporate settings, in the more professional environment. I think they have a little bit more. Their support, their tech support team is pretty good. You can reach out to them if you have issues, problems, or what have you. It's not as easy. It's not as easy, and this is why I think why you'd probably see Carbonite more in the office environment. It's not as easy to reach out to, say, Amazon, right, or Google, you know, to try to reach their tech support or something. I mean, you probably could, but with these guys, it's there, like their office numbers right there, you know, their support numbers. So you can just reach out, give them a call if you're having issues, problems, see what kind of package will work best for you. And you know, if you're a company, organization watching this video, then you know, this is probably something that you may want to start with, to choose from. We also do that as well for our clients. We also have a platform in the cloud that we do as far as like data backup goes for, you know, advanced PCs. These are it's included with the packages that we offer, right? But you know, before going there, you know, I always kind of like ease people into cloud backup, and so they can get a feel for it, so to speak. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it for this week's video. You know, like if you guys have questions about anything, you know, as far as backing up data, going to the cloud and all that good stuff, send us an email. You can send us an email to support@advancedpcs.com. And yeah, anyone that you know that can benefit from this information, could use this information, please share with anyone. Like, subscribe to our channels, and that wraps it up for this week's video. Thank you guys for joining us. Again, this is Andrew from Advanced PCs, and at Advanced PCs, we keep it simple. Take care, guys.